guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bella. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single one of you. So today's guys, I'm gonna show you this amazing recipe. It's gonna help you to thank your flowers down there, if you know what I mean. So if you want to see how I made this recipe, stay tuned. I'm going to show you this amazing recipe that you only need peanuts. Yes, peanuts is an amazing ingredient that help you to become virgin again. If you are active in bed, so ladies, this is for you. You need to watch this video until the end, and all you need just peanuts. And as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that I remove all the bad peanuts in there, and then we're gonna proceed to wash it. I made this video in French and a lot of you wanted me to make it in English. That's why I'm doing it this for you guys. So stay tuned, watch to the end, and you definitely see how I made this amazing water. So right now I'm going ahead and wash peanut. You have to make sure you wash peanut very well, because you guys know some peanuts they add salt, they add sugar, and it's very it has a lot of residue, a lot of stuff. So you have to make sure that you wash it very well. Listen to me guys, you have to wash it at least 2 or 3 times. So I'm gonna say it again, do not just wash it quickly and then go ahead and start doing the next step. Yes, no, these steps right here, it's very important. So take your time to wash it very well, and then rinse it off again 2 or 3 times, as you can see what I'm doing. And once you do that, we're gonna go ahead again and just make sure that your peanut is well clean and ready to go. So all you need to do now at this point is you're gonna go ahead and put some water in a pan or in a boil pot or whatever, and then you're gonna add this peanut inside, and you're gonna boil it for a good 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure it's boiled to the point where you see water is changing the color, it become like yes. So make sure it boil very well for good 20 to 30 minutes. Once you see it's boiled, and you can also see that water changed the color, and that's at that point you know that your water is ready. So you're gonna let it cool off, because all we need, we're just gonna collect this water, and this water is amazing. And again, this water is not just for you ladies, you can also give it to your man, and it helps them to produce enough liquid. I cannot use those words here, in YouTube. So if you know, you know, those liquid that men need, yes, this will help them as well. So you can share it with your man at any time. So it's easy to consume. Those peanuts that left over, you don't have to throw it out. You can eat it, or you can use it for something else. That's what I do. So now that our peanut is cooled off, peanut water is cooled off, it's ready to drink it. You're gonna go ahead and serve yourself. If you want, you can put it in the fridge, let it cool off a little bit. You can add ice into it to make it just nicer, or you can drink it the way it is. So the best way to drink it to see the result is to drink it at least 3 or 4 times a week. You can drink it in the morning, it's the best time, or you can use this cotton, and you dip it inside the water and let it soak for good 2 minutes, and then you can insert it in down there. You insert it down there for good 10 minutes to 15 minutes. I'm telling you, the result is amazing. You're gonna become like a new person. You won't even know yourself, and your man won't even know you anymore. He will definitely ask you, like, what did you do? But yet this is a woman's secret, and it's very beneficial for your body. You feel good, you feel confident. So we're almost at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share this video with friends and family, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Thank you so much, and bye bye.